Hello, good day everyone. I am Ronald Nisperos from Makati City, Philippines. I am doing MLM or network marketing for almost 5 years and now I am in GFAX International and dito sa GFAX International kaka 2 months ko pa lang and I'm still looking for business partner na gustong gawin ang ganitong klase ng business. Sa mga interested, pwede nyo po akong i-contact. Willing ko po kayong tulungan kung paano gawin ang ganitong klase ng business, whether nasa Pilipinas ka man or nasa ibang bansa, OFW, you are welcome under my organization, under my team, and we will help each other to grow in this kind of industry. So actually, network marketing or relational marketing is very easy as long as you have the partners, you have the interest to do it. Sabi nga nila, walang mahirap sa taong may pangarap. So, if you want to do this kind of business, please feel free to contact me and I'm very much willing to help you. Ano man ang katayuan mo sa buhay, whether naghahanap ka man ng trabaho, may trabaho ka na, OFW ka, mayaman ka, may pera ka, o wala kang pera, you are welcome under my organization kasi wala kaming pinipili as long as mayroon kang potential, mayroon kang willingness to learn in this kind of business. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. I hope na isa ka sa mga interested and I'm hoping na maging part ka ng team ko. Thank you and God bless.